flickers in the light, folding wings, black and white. Tiny secrets, soft and slow, things that only silence knows. Hidden places tucked away, where the fragile moments stay. Every line a story told, in patterns no one else can hold. There are secrets in the wings, in the way they move unseen. Every flutter, every line holds a little piece of time. If you look but don't rush in, you might see what's been within. All the beauty we don't say lives in quiet, fades away. Layer by layer, piece by piece, turning motion into peace. From nothing into something real, a hidden world you start